In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MyFitnessPal login problem, step by step. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen or the app keeps spinning, a quick reset of the app's local data usually clears it up. These steps apply to most Android devices and won't delete your cloud data, only temporary files and settings stored on your phone. First, go to your MyFitnessPal app. Find the icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Don't open it yet. We're going to reach its settings directly from the icon to make this faster. Now hold it. Press and keep your finger on the MyFitnessPal icon until a small menu appears or until you see an option that says App Info. Seeing other quick actions here is normal, so don't worry if it looks slightly different on your device. Next, click on App Info. On some phones, this may be represented by a small eye or a gear icon. This screen shows details about the app installed on your device, like permissions, notifications, battery use, and storage. From here, click on Storage and Cache. This area tells you how much space the app is using and separates temporary cache from full app data. It helps to know the difference. Clearing cache removes temporary files, while clearing storage resets the app on your device as if it were just installed. Now click on Clear Storage and confirm if prompted. This will sign you out of MyFitnessPal on your phone and remove local preferences. Your account, diaries, and any premium features are tied to your online profile, so they're safe and will return once you sign back in. After that, try logging in with your account again. Open MyFitnessPal fresh and enter your credentials carefully. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to avoid typos. Make sure your internet connection is stable while signing in, and use the Show Password option if available to double check what you type. If you use verification codes, have your method ready so you can complete the login without timing out. Once you're back in, the app will rebuild any necessary temporary files as you use it, and performance should feel normal again. If the login still doesn't work after clearing storage, it might be a temporary service issue. Give it a little time and try again later, or check the official help resources for updates. That's all you need. A clean reset of the app's data resolves most login glitches quickly and safely.